It's tempting to believe that taking a few capsules can replace the need for a healthy diet. After all, supplements promise to deliver all the nutrients that you need in one convenient package. But here's the truth, no pill can replace the complexity and benefits of whole foods. Today we are unpacking why supplements aren't enough and why whole foods remain the cornerstone of true health. Hey, if you're new here, I am 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 Garcia, and I help you optimize your brain health so you can feel calm, focused, and productive every day. If that sounds like something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our brain boosting tips. Supplements can play a vital role in filling specific nutritional gaps, but they are not the magic bullet. They provide isolated nutrients, often missing the synergy and additional compounds found in whole foods. Whole foods offer a complex array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and fiber, and other bioactive compounds that work together to promote health in ways supplements can't match. So for example, an orange just isn't a source of vitamin C. It contains fiber, flavonoids, and other antioxidants that interact with vitamin C to enhance its absorption and effectiveness. When you rely solely on supplements, you miss out on its natural synergy. Which is why if you're going to take a supplement, it's actually better to take herbs, herbal capsules, herbal tinctures, because it is in the original source of a plant. It's not a fruit or a vegetable, but it is in a plant, like a leaf or a root or something. Whole foods provide far more than just isolated nutrients. They're packed with compounds that promote health in ways that we're still discovering. So we have synergy of nutrients. So nutrients in whole foods don't act alone. They work together to enhance absorption and effectiveness. So for example, calcium in leafy greens is better absorbed thanks to the presence of magnesium and vitamin K, which are also found alongside it in nature. Supplements rarely replicate this natural teamwork. Even if you have a supplement that has calcium, magnesium, and K, there's so many other compounds in the whole food or in the whole herb that we don't even know how it's affecting the absorption or the utilization or the effectiveness. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are rich in fiber, which are essential for healthy digestion and gut health. Fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, supports regular digestion, and helps control blood sugar levels. Most supplements lack this crucial component, leaving a critical gap in your diet. Whole foods are also rich in phytochemicals, which is a natural compound like flavonoids, carotenoids, and polyphenols that provide additional health benefits. These compounds help reduce inflammation, protect against chronic disease, and support overall cellular health. Supplements might isolate one or two, but they can't replicate the broad spectrum found in whole foods. While supplements can be helpful, relying on them exclusively can lead to unintended consequences. So we have you can overdo it with supplements. There is such thing as too much of a good thing, especially fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which can build up in your body and cause toxicity. A, for the most part, is the one that people tend to worry about because it can be in the liver. With whole foods, it's much harder to consume excessive amounts because they come in balanced proportions. Supplements often focus on popular nutrients like vitamin D or calcium, but it leaves out the lesser known but equally important nutrients like selenium and boron and choline, which are abundant in whole foods. So taking supplements can create a false sense of security, leaving people to neglect other important aspects of their diet. No supplement can make up for a diet lacking in variety or color or natural nutrients. So supplements, they're not inherently bad. They're just not a replacement for their real food. So when we use correctly, we can help address specific deficiencies or provide extra support during certain life stages. We can use supplements to fill deficiencies that are hard to correct through diet alone, like vitamin D in the winter or iron for those with anemia. Pregnant women, athletes, or individuals with certain medical conditions may benefit from targeted supplementations. They should complement but not replace a healthy diet. Not all supplements are created equal. So you want to look for high quality options with minimal fillers, synthetic additives. Avoid mega doses unless recommended by a healthcare provider. Do not buy your supplements at a box store or a grocery store. Make sure that you go to your natural health food store, know what brands they are. If you still want to purchase them online, at least you know which brands you need to get. I will put my FullScript link. It's an online supplement dispensary. It has professional grade supplements. It'll be at a discount to you, so you can check those out. If anything, just peruse and see which brands they are, and if you want to buy them somewhere else, go for it, but just don't buy supplements at Walmart. Okay, I'm just saying. Supplements can be a helpful addition to your healthy routine, but they will never match the complexity, balance, and benefits of whole foods. Your body thrives on the natural synergy of nutrients, fiber, and phytochemicals that only real food provides. So think of supplements as just that. It's supplementary. Start with a plate of full color, full whole foods, and let supplements fill in the gaps when needed. So true health begins with what's on your fork, not in your pill bottle, right? So there's a time and a place, but it's not, it's not a ticket to eat bad, okay? So if this video was eye-opening to you, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who would benefit from learning about their brain's detox system. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss anything of our upcoming brain health videos. And if you are interested in learning more about which supplements are great, or nutrients, I should say, are great for your brain health and function, then please grab my Feed Your Brain workshop. I'm going to put that in the comments below along with my full script link. All right, so until the next video, I will see you later. Bye-bye.